First question, state Kepler's law of orbits. Law of orbits states that every planet moves around the sun in an elliptical orbit with the sun at one of the foci. State Kepler's law of areas. The line joining the sun and planet sweeps out equal areas in equal interval of times. State Kepler's law of periods. Kepler's law of periods states that the square of the time for a planet to complete one revolution around the sun is directly proportional to cube of the semi-major axis of the elliptical orbit. Which physical quantity is conserved in the case of law of areas? Yes, children. Angular momentum is going to be conserved. State universal law of gravitation. Fifth question. The force of attraction between two particles is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. This force is called gravitational force. Express universal law of gravitation in mathematical form. Yes, correct. F is equal to capital G m1 m2 upon r square. Express universal law of gravitation in vector form. Yes, you are right. Vector F is equal to G capital G m1 m2 upon r square into r cap. Write the relation between small g and capital G. Yes, we know that small g is equal to capital G m upon capital R square. Write the expression for acceleration due to gravity at a point above the surface of the earth. Yes, correct. gh is equal to g into 1 minus 2h upon r. Write the expression for acceleration due to gravity at a point below the surface of the earth. Yes, gd is equal to g into 1 minus d upon r. Write the expression for gravitational potential energy of a particle at a point which is at a distance r from the center of the earth. Yes, u is equal to minus capital G m1 m2 upon r. 12th question. Write the expression for gravitational potential energy between the two masses separated by a distance. Yes, same equation. U is equal to minus G m1 m2 upon r. What is escape speed? 13th question. The minimum speed required to project a body vertically upward from the surface of earth so that it never returns to the surface of the earth is called escape speed. So what is satellite? A heavenly body revolving around the earth in an orbit is called satellite. What is the value of period of moon? 27.32 days. What are geostationary satellites? The satellites which are at rest with respect to the earth are called geostationary satellites. What are polar satellites? The satellites which go around the poles of the earth in a north and south direction are known as polar satellites. Give the period of geostationary satellites. 24 hours. Name the group of the geostationary satellites sent by India. GSAT. Give an important use of geostationary satellites. Geostationary satellites are used to as a communication satellites to send messages. They are used as weather satellites. They are used to know the exact shape of the earth. Write the dimension formula for gravitational constant. m raised to minus 1, l raised to 3, t raised to minus 2. Define orbital speed of the satellite around the earth. The velocity required to put a satellite into its orbit around the earth is called orbital speed or orbital velocity. 25th question. Name the force that provides the necessary centripetal force for the earth around the sun in an approximately circular orbit? Yes, you are right. Gravitational force. How does the escape velocity of a body varies with mass of the earth? Yes, you are right. Escape velocity is directly proportional to mass of the earth. How does the speed of earth changes when it nearer to the sun? When earth is very much nearer to the sun, its angular velocity is going to increase. What are central forces? If the force on a body is always directed towards the fixed point, that is origin. Give the value of escape speed for moon, 2.38 meter per second square. Give the relation between escape speed and orbital speed. Yes, VE is equal to, बोले तो escape speed is equal to square root of 2 into orbital velocity. Write the dimension formula of capital G, m raised to minus 1, L raised to 3, T raised to minus 2.